Hi friends, you're watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the first video of Job News series. We have so many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated. The first organization of this video is Cognizant Technology Solutions. This is hiring for app security specialist. If we see about Cognizant is one of the world's leading professional services companies, transforming clients' business operating and technology models for the digital area. So Cognizant is an American multinational company. So the requirements for this job role is understand functional and non-functional application security requirements and raise queries and seek clarification. So the qualification, the educational qualification for this job role is the candidate must be an MCA or BE graduate. And the skills needed for this job role is CyberArk PIM, and the other details were provided in the website. The links for all the notifications which I explained in this video will be provided in the description below. And the second organization is Amdocs. Amdocs is hiring for engineering graduates from 2020 batch for the positions of test development, testing and support. The locations will be Pune and Gurgaon. And the eligibility criteria will be 2020 batch BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Those people who completed CS, IT, EC, ETC streams only are eligible for these job roles, and MCA with 60% through academics with no gaps or breaks between the course year down. And the next organization for this video is eLitmus. So eLitmus is looking to employ people as technical support engineers. So what is eLitmus? eLitmus is the world leader in networking. They design, manufacturing and sell IP-based networking products and services related to the communications and information technology industry worldwide. An estimated 84% of internet traffic travels across their hardware and software solutions. The requirements for this job role is mentioned in this website, and the eligibility for these job roles is BE, BTech, MCA, ME, MTech from any learning institution to 2018-2019 batches, and college GPA no restrictions, great PH score, excellent oral and written communication skills, ability to work hard to deliver results. And the next organization in this video is Setlin. Setlin has built a simple platform for enabling and executing property transactions and services. This is the most systematic approach to real estate consultancy driven by high-end technology, built to cater every detail of it. So the requirements to join for this job is if you have experience of 0 to 3 years in sales, pre-sales, client onboarding, excellent analytical and communication skills, quick learning, adaptability, changing business needs, willingness to challenge the status quo and achieve business results. So these are their requirements, and the requirements for this job is any graduate or postgraduate. Any graduate or postgraduate in the sense they mentioned here: BA, BCom, BSc, BT, BTech, BBA, BCA, MA, MSc, MBA, MCA. So these are the educational requirements for this job. If you want to apply for this job, you have to simply click on the apply button here, and it will take you further in this application process. And the next organization is Medtronic. Medtronic is looking for an intern graduate who is a tech graduate. Medtronic is a healthcare kind of organization. It deals with the healthcare products worldwide. So the requirements for this job role is Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science Engineering from a premium institute. And the required experience is 0 to 1 years of software industry experience, strong object-oriented concepts and data structures, solid in one or more programming of the following programming languages: C#, .NET, HTML, Java, JavaScript, C++, Python. Strong problem solving and communication skills are needed for this job role. If you possess all the skills which I mentioned, you have to simply click on the apply for job button here, and it will take you for the further process. And the next job role is from integral ad science. So what is integral ad science? So integral ad science is like global market leader in digital ad verification, offering technologies that drive high quality advertising media. So they provide some kind of advertising media to its clients and all the customers all over the world. The requirements for this job role is 0 to 2 years of recent experience with user interface development, Angular, JS, React, or other UI frameworks, fluency with HTML5 and CSS, testing implementation using Karma and Jasmine, understanding of full software development life cycle, agile development and continuous integration, ability to communicate clearly to technical and non-technical audience verbally and in writing, exposure to business intelligence tools such as Looker, Tableau, and or Jaspersoft, understanding of agile methodologies including Scrum and Kanban. So these are the skills needed from the company side to apply for this job. And the educational qualification is BTech graduates. If you are willing to apply for this job, you have to simply fill out the form. If you scroll down the website, you can find this form and click on submit application button to apply for this job role. And the next organization is Khoros. Khoros is the best place to work in Austin. So Khoros, what is Khoros? Khoros is our passion. Their passion is to have the world's best brands create customers for life. So they are like a medium which interacts between the customers and the best brands to interact them between. So they are hiring for a software engineer. The educational qualification is bachelor in science or master's in science, computer science, engineering or related experience. So both the BSc and MSc graduates and BTech graduates are eligible for this job. And the requirements for this job is 1 to 3 years of experience for building SaaS-based applications using object-oriented languages. Java is highly preferred. Collaborated with other engineers through Git and pull requests, performing code reviews and improving code quality by applying solid design principles. And these are the skills needed for this job. If you possess the skills for this job, you can simply click on this apply for this job online button and do the further needed for this job. And the next organization is Adasoft. Adasoft is hiring for junior systems test engineer training. So Adasoft is a Switzerland based MNC based at Gogon and delivering software development services, IT solutions like software solutions to its clients and customers. So the people who completed BTech, BCA and MCA are eligible for these job roles. Who are completed in 2019 and 2020 pass outs are eligible. And the requirements are given here: knowledge of software development life cycle and bug life cycle, manual web application and client server testing, planning, writing and executing test cases, system integration testing, black box testing. Excellent verbal and written communication skills are mandatory. Ability to work independently as well as in a team. Exposure to Telerik Test Studio will be an added advantage. So these are the skills they are needed from their side, from the candidate. If you possess these skills and requirements and all the educational qualifications, you can simply click here on the apply now button here and apply for the job role. The comment box, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video. Keep learning, friends.